He needs another battery. He ran that one.
Oh, it ran out?
Yeah, he was full throttle and it wasn't going nowhere.
Yeah, I was trying to go, man. I think that's why I couldn't get up there.
Yeah, the battery's hot.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
It got hot that fast? I made it hot?
No. We've all been running on it.
Damn. Here, how you do this?
Oh, you're good. Are you running it again or no?
Yeah, let him run again. He didn't.
I still ain't made a full pass.
He still need to get past one gate.
Yeah, I ain't got to another gate. Yeah, what's them tires right there? Oh, them the competitions? Cause them the ones on your little car.
Yeah, those are for the minis. That's got their foam in it too.
You can see the you can see the size difference.
Yeah, I bet I can get up there good with this. Oh, this thing here feel like plastic surgery. I touched somebody and
so
like this.
Me and my dad, we make the foams that go in these tires.
Yeah, he told me about
so all
foam.
the tires you see out here are running our foams. Yeah, and that's what I'd be doing on Monday to Friday. Be packaging foams.
This time.
And drive it over there so you get more time.
Yeah. So we were running these after, and I thought this was.
All right, we got a fresh battery, chat. You think he's gonna get over it now? Those were carbon fiber rims.
Yeah, this thing ain't really got that much power. Man, God, that ain't doing me right, man. I didn't kick all my rocks, man. I need a couple.
The tires are filled with foam, and there's no air in it. So the tires are actually vented, because if you don't vent it, then it'll be a sealed tire, and it'll be like buoyancy. So it's all foam in there. Got a little hand of God to get past first gate.
Yeah, man.
Let's see how far he gets now, chat.
I'm trying to at least enjoy it. They ain't letting me enjoy it.
Turn a little to the left. Now turn. Oh. Oh. See, those two reverses you took are better than if you were to hit the gate.
Yeah.
You got past one gate, chat. We run Tekin motors and Reedy motors. Really like those ones.
Damn, I don't think I can make it. Ah! Boy, I gotta go back to this gate.
That last gate you cleared, yep.
Alright. I shouldn't even be going up this big old rock, man. I done flipped off again.
He done touched it twice already.
Yeah, I know which way I'm gonna go now.
They saying you haven't made it to Pinky's Hill yet.
Yeah. Let me see. I think I should go over here somewhere. Uh-oh. Oh, that's a gate. Golly, I need to go. It look like I'm gonna hit it.
Woo! Stay in it. Clear.
Okay, there we go.
The scoring starts at 0, and each gate you progress through, you get -2 points, because the objective is to get the lowest score. So if you take a reverse, that's 1 point. If you hit the gate, or if you touch the car,
here, y'all.
he made it, y'all. That's 10 points. So it's very much like golf. You want the lowest score. The perfect score on course is -20.
-20. What my legs come on, baby. I'm finna figure out a way now, y'all. Dang, this is a bad spot right here.
Yeah, I was doing solid till I hit that spot.
I wish you could drive that truck and not all the weight on it.
I done messed up now, man.
Yeah, you did. Oh!
Golly, I thought I was gonna do something, man.
Try it again.
Oh, golly.
Try it again.
Yeah, he's got a heavy foot.
Boom. See? There you go.
Get on around here. Oh, it's another gate. I'm right here. Oh, yeah, that's good.
Oh, he lined up good on that one, y'all.
It's pretty good, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm out here. Oh!
Let's see, it would not have done that.
Oh, that weight made it do that?
Yeah. Yeah, that thing's usually, you can't flip it over.
With the smart batteries, you usually have to have the charger that goes with it. We do not run any of the smart batteries, so we just have a balancer that you plug it into and you plug your connector into and then charge it up.
Good at this.
But you getting better.
Yeah.
You got some experience for course 2. Can they bet with channel points on here, on your channel?
I don't know how you do that.
I think you just have to set it up for your channel points, so that, and then if you have a moderator in here, they can.
I got a moderator.
They could.
Put the soul in there.
Ah, snap!
Oh, here we go.
Okay, cool chat. I'm not looking at the chat on another phone. They said they already got one going.
Okay, there we go. Oh,
There's the finish.
30 minutes.
Yeah, that was definitely more than 5 minutes.
Yeah, man, I ain't got all of what it take, man, but hey, I did it.
We gonna go take it back?
Yeah, where he at? He back over there?
And Cody.
That was very
He finished the course.
Yeah, I'm finished, man. Where I need to put it at?
Right here for the next one.
Oh, you finna? Oh, they doing it already?
Yes, sir.
Let me see what they talking about.
He's over there.
Somebody say I finished with a 420.
That's what time to be.
I finished with a 420.
Freezing gonna be fun.
Kilroy 480. Dude, I do have a Spectrum charge. I got one of them at home too.
Add 2 pounds.